Welcome, and let us discuss here Betwa Interlinking project, advantages, challenges, and the way forward. Now see the map. In this map, what you find? You find Betwa River Interlink project and a few facts, right? See, the Betwa project will transfer surplus water from the River to the Betwa basin to help irrigate the drought-prone Bundelkhand region and the adjoining areas, isn't it? The 230-kilometer concrete canal will pass through Jhansi, Manda, Mahoba districts of Uttar Pradesh and Tikamgah, Panna and Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh, isn't it? The project will also benefit Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh in terms of meeting their irrigation and drinking water needs, isn't it? Now come for the likely disasters that may be. The project involves deforesting a portion of the Panna Tiger Reserve, approximately 10% in Madhya Pradesh, isn't it? So see the map once again, then I will move on to the next fact, isn't it? So well, see, key facts, Ken and Betwa rivers originate in Madhya Pradesh and other tributaries of Yamuna. Ken meets with Yamuna in Banda district of Uttar Pradesh and with Betwa in Hamirpur district of Uttar Pradesh. Fine. More facts. Rajghat, Parishya and Metaltila dams are over Betwa river. Remember? 3-1 Rajghat. Next one Parishya and third one Metaltila dams. These are on in which river? Betwa river. Important facts from the PT point of view also. Ken river passes through Panna Tiger Reserve. Remember, Ken river passes through Panna Tiger Reserve. Next, see the related fact. Here is a typing errors. There should be RELATED, related, or the associated facts, right? The projects involve transferring of water from the Ken river to the Betwa river through the construction of so-called Dhaudhan Dam and a canal linking the two rivers, the Lower O project, Kotha Barrage, and the Bina Complex Multipurpose Project. The project is slated to irrigate 10.62 lakh hectares annually, provide drinking water supply to 62 lakh people and generate 163 megawatt of hydro project power and 27 megawatt of solar power, isn't it? The project will be of the immense use of the benefit to the water-starved Bundelkhand region spread across Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, isn't it? The project is expected to boost socio-economic prosperity in the backward Bundelkhand region on account of increased agricultural activities and employment generation. It would also help in arresting distress migration from this region. See more fact. Challenges. So let us discuss the challenges. Challenges or the so-called impediments are as the project will partly submerge the Panna Tiger Reserve in Madhya Pradesh and affect the habitat of vultures and jackals. After years of protest, it was finally cleared by the apex wildlife regulator, the National Board for Wildlife, in 2016. Now come to the uses or the benefits of the project. Number one, This interlinking benefits many ways. Number one, it enhances water and food security. Number two, proper utilization of water. Number three, boost to agriculture for disaster mitigation and boost to transportation. Now, let us see the way forward, right? To look at water as a strategic resource for development. Next point, environment is one issue where any one of us should be concerned about. Best practices done by China and neighboring countries needs to be looked upon. More facts. The biggest, cheapest, most benign, possibly fastest and most decentralized as well as option for India is the groundwater, water within the earth's surface. Invest in water conservation, more efficient irrigation and better farm practices, isn't it? Recycling of water for internal uses as that of Israel. Next point, we need a mandatory enforceable river policy aimed at treating rivers as national treasure. Okay? Accumulation of silt in huge quantities, particularly the Ganga and its tributaries, these rivers need to be desilted, isn't it? River linking in the south and other parts which were undertaken in the past has been going well, so such model needs to be taken up forward. More points. Planting trees on the river banks is one way of bringing life back to the rivers. Forest catchments will need to be restored. Wastewater from industries and towns will need to be treated and mining need to be stopped. Next point, need to build the responsibility, capability and accountability in our water management institutions to revive our rivers. Okay, fine. The judicious use of canal water, growing crops that are appropriate to a region, encouraging drip irrigation and reviving traditional systems such as tanks. Now let us some concluding point. Okay, the river linking project is a great challenge and an opportunity to address the water issues arising out of climate change. Okay, the long-term solution to water scarcity lies in making the IRL project work by building a network of dams and canals across the length and breadth of the nation. However, interlinking has to take place after a detailed study so that it does not cause any problem. So this way, once again, I would suggest you to see the map and acknowledge the key points related to Betwa River Link project. This way, you have seen that this Betwa River interlinking project is of immense importance and significance. However, there may be impediments, challenges that are likely to be addressed for the better benefit of Betwa River interlinking projects. That's all for the day. Thanks for giving me a patience listening. Thank you.